Hello guys, today I am going to give you my 5K special editing pack for Alight Motion. I'm sorry for dropping it a bit late, but here is the preview.
Bread and butterfly. Oh yes, of course.
Here is the text you will get.
License and registration.
Yes, mistress. Officer. Sorry.
Not that one. The one for Dexter Morgan.
How many times have you done this?
A lot.
How many?
Go big or go home. In the hundreds.
Holy shit.
The Bay Harbor Butcher. You know the nickname. And you know what he did. Dismembered his victims, bagged the bloody bits and hefties, and tossed them in the bay.
Murder has a way of following you. And you're not getting away with it. Really had to run up here like some white knight and get right in the middle of my shit? You're crazy. Which is 100% none of your goddamn business, Joe. You sick fuck. I see it now.
Want to die for this planet? Fine. What's 17 more years? I can always start again. Take another kick. Add to that the fact that Rita heard your message and dumped me last night. I tried to explain to her that nothing happened at the hotel, but she wouldn't listen to me. Nobody fucking listens to me.
Listen, you need to calm down, okay? Last time I saw you like this, you came back covered in blood.
So?
I know who you are, who you actually are.
I don't think we've officially met.
Here is how to use some of the presets. Thank you so much for all the support. Preset will be in description as always.